How to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step to download music from YouTube to MP3. Step 1. Access YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Creator Studio and sign in. Step 2. Find Audio Library. Scroll down the left sidebar, click Audio Library. Step 3. Browse and download music. Explore the audio library's vast collection, preview tracks using the play button, hover over a song and click download to save as MP3. Benefits: clear license information for monetized content, perfect for long-form videos and YouTube Shorts. To download whatever music you like, click on the download button. In this way you can download music from YouTube in MP3 without copyright.